during troubleshooting no chemical pull, you may run across where you're not getting any suction from right here. In that case, we have to take this off of the unit and inspect it or replace it. And so to do that, we're going to have to disconnect all these chemical lines and then unscrew this eductor and we'll pull it out, and then we'll further show how to take this apart. So my first step will be to disconnect all the chemical caps, and then we'll engage each chemical. That way when I take these lines off, I don't have any chemical dripping down. So I'm going to take these chemical caps off. I'm just going to unscrew them. And I'm going to engage. All right, we got most chemical out. So now I'm going to take that off. Okay, and then I'm going to unscrew this eductor. I'm just going to hold this in place so it doesn't twist. Alright, so it's completely off, and what I can do is I can take that forward and just lift it up with the hose and take it out of the dispenser. So to replace this, it's held in by a clip, so what we can do is use a channel locks, and what we want to do is compress on this clip. That takes it right off. And then that pulls apart. So there's this piece, what we call a suction stub. So there could be some sort of blockage in here, but if you get a new dial, it comes with a new suction stub, so it's best just to replace everything while it's off. So you're going to want to get the biggest Phillips head screwdriver that you can. That just turns right off. And then if I have my new one, I can spin that on, and it doesn't take much, and it's real easy to strip this, so just give it just a little turn. Take your new piece, doesn't matter if it goes that way or that way, put that on. Then you take your clip, and if this happens to break, this new dial, it comes with also a new clip. I like to get one side in, and then this other side. It'll work it a little bit. Just force it on. There we go. Then we're good to go. So we're going to put this back in. We're just going to take that. And then bring that back a little bit. All right. And twist it on. Make sure you're tight. Okay, and let's put the tubing back on. That goes there. And this tubing goes right there. And if you ever get confused with what tubing goes where, you can always reference the numbers on the doors. Number 2, that's going to go right here. Number 3 right here. Number 1 right here. Number 4 right there. the same order that they are on the dispenser. All right, and then we can prime each chemical line and make sure that we are working. So let's put these caps back on first. That'll do it. Okay, and then we can prime the chemical lines and make sure that we're working. Yep.